Sentence patterns. Mr. Santos did not come to the party. Santos-san wa party ni ikimasen deshita. This sentence states that Mr. Santos did not attend the party. Things are expensive in Japan. Nihon de wa mono ga takai desu. This sentence describes the high cost of items in Japan. The sea around Okinawa was beautiful. Okinawa no omi wa utsukushikatta desu. This sentence describes the beauty of the sea around Okinawa in the past. Today is my birthday. Kyou wa watashi no tenjubi desu. This sentence states that today is the speaker's birthday. Example sentences. Will you have some ice cream? Ice cream o tabimasu ka? Asking someone if they want to eat ice cream. Hai, tabimasu. Affirmative response to eating ice cream. Do you have any scissors? Hasami o motteimasu ka? Asking if someone has scissors. Ie, motteimasen. Negative response to having scissors. Did you see Miss Kimura yesterday? Kimura-san o mimashita ka? Asking if someone saw Miss Kimura yesterday. Ie, mimasen deshita. Negative response to seeing Miss Kimura. Shall we go to Kyoto all together tomorrow? Ashita minna de Kyoto ni ikimashou ka? Suggesting a group trip to Kyoto tomorrow. Hai, so shimashou. Affirmative response to the suggestion. Is the curry delicious? Curry wa oishii desu ka? Asking if the curry is delicious. Hai, atsui desu ga oishii desu. Positive response with an additional comment on the curry's temperature. Are you free now? Ima hima desu ka? Asking if someone is available now. Hai, hima desu. Naze desu ka? Affirmative response with a follow-up question asking why. Do you have a dictionary? Jeisho o motteimasu ka? Asking if someone has a dictionary. Ie, motteimasen. Negative response to having a dictionary. Conversation. What will you do for the summer vacation? Natsuyasumi ni nani o shimasu ka? Asking about plans for the summer vacation. Are you going home for the summer vacation? Natsuyasumi ni uchi ni kaerimasu ka? Asking if Tawafon is going home during the summer vacation. No, I won't. Though I want to. Ie, kaerimasen. Demo, kaeritai to omoite imasu. Stating that he won't go, but he wants to. Ie, kaerimasen. Demo, kaeritai to omotte imasu. What about you, Mr. Kobayashi? Kobayashi-san wa dou desu ka? Turning the question back to Kobayashi. Well, what shall I do? So desu ne. Nani o shimashou ka? Expressing uncertainty about his plans. Have you climbed Mount Fuji, Mr. Tawafon? Tawafon-san wa Fuji-san ni inobotta koto ga arimasu ka? Asking if Tawafon has ever climbed Mount Fuji. No, I haven't. Ie, arimasen. Responding negatively to having climbed Mount Fuji. Then, if you'd like, shall we go together? Ja, yukatara issho ni ikimashou ka? Suggesting going together if Tawafon is interested. Yes, okay. When? Hai, ii desu yo. It's desu ka? Agreeing to the plan and asking about the timing. How about the beginning of August? 8月の初めはどうですか? Suggesting the beginning of August as a time to go. Sounds good. いいですね. Agreeing to the suggested time. Then, I will check up on various things and call you later. じゃ、いろいろ調べて、後で電話します. Stating that he will gather information and contact Tawafon later. Thanks, I'll be waiting. Arigato mateimasu. Expressing gratitude and indicating he will wait for the call. Family context. Panel with a family celebrating a birthday. Taro Hanako! A child is calling out to Taro and Hanako, likely siblings or friends in a casual, familiar way. Mother speaking to father. Ne, kiyo wa Taro no tanjubi yo. The mother is reminding the father, hey, today is Taro's birthday. She uses Taro, a slightly more polite, respectful variant of Taro. Work scenario asking for signature. Matsumoto-san, sign wa itadakimasu ka? The person is respectfully asking Mr. Matsumoto for his signature, using san, which is a common honorific suffix denoting respect. Store scenario. Complimenting a customer. Sono ni kotai, totemo oniai desu yo. The shop assistant compliments the customer, saying that necktie suits you very well. Societal context. Doctor's office scenario. Patient speaking. Sensei, onakagaitai desu. The patient tells the doctor, Doctor, I have a stomach ache. Here, sensei is used for addressing the doctor, which translates to teacher but is also used for doctors, lawyers, and other professionals. Taro Hanaku. Dear, do you know today is Taro's birthday? In families, people call each other from the viewpoint of the youngest of the family. A parent calls his or her eldest son or daughter Oni-chan, elder brother, or One-chan, elder sister, respectively, standing in the position of his or her younger sister or brother. When parents talk in the presence of their children, the husband calls his wife Oka-san or Mama, mother, and the wife, her husband, Oto-san or Papa, father. This practice, however, has been changing recently, and the number of couples who call each other by their names is increasing. Mr. Matsumoto, may I have your signature? The necktie suits you very much, sir, ma'am. Doctor, I have a stomach ache. In society, people call each other by the names of their role in the group to which they belong. At work, a subordinate calls his boss by his job title. At shops, a shop assistant calls his or her customer Okiako-sama or Mr. Miss Customer. Doctors are called sensei or teacher by their patients. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. See you next time. Mata ne!